If you're not sure whether you received the virtual item that comes with your Roblox toy, there's an easy way to check. First, make sure you're signed in to the same Roblox account where you redeemed the toy code. That part is really important because the item will only appear on that account. That if you're unsure which virtual item your toy actually includes, you can go to the Jazzwares website and open the collector's guide. Find your specific toy there. Then click on the image of the virtual item or the words virtual item. This will take you directly to that item's page in the Roblox catalog. While you're logged into the correct account, the catalog page will clearly show whether your account owns the item. If you already have it, you'll see that it belongs to you, along with a few different options available on the page. Another way to check is by opening your Roblox inventory and browsing through the category where that virtual item should be listed. If the item shows up in your inventory, that means you own it. That if you've checked your inventory and still can't find a virtual item, or if you think you received the wrong one, the best thing to do is contact Roblox Support for further help so they can look into it for you.